Hey YouTube, it's John here. Hey, it looks like I found the limits of my my TYM 474. See that log? That log is about 45 inches wide, and I don't know, 4 feet long or so. But apparently it weighs more than 2,000 pounds because that's the lift capacity of the front loader. So today we're going to go get the equalizer out. We're going to cut that baby in half. This big old dog over here we're going to cut too, and we're going to move these to a different burn pile because I don't want to start this burn pile out here and have it burn for 2 days. So stay tuned. Let's get some work done. So what we pulled out today was the 661. I got a 36-inch bar. This old dirty oak wood is going to destroy this chain. I don't even think this thing will reach across. So we'll cut from one side and then we'll switch over, cut from the other side. Let's see if we can get this job done. I think what we'll do is we'll roll it over this way a little bit, see if we can't get a better cut, because from that side I'm just crowded in. I guess we showed it who's boss. A homesteader's job is never done. Here's another monster. We're going to try to split that right down the center there. The blade's already going to be ruined. All this dirt and stuff in here. Let's try to flip this one over. that was nasty. Look at all them lizards living in there. Now that one was way more fun than that last one. Well, these will be easier to manage with the tractor. So we're going to haul these off, and we got about 10 more monster pieces to deal with. So I appreciate you watching. We're Hoof and Homestead. This is the kind of stuff we do. So if you like the content, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe. I like that too. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a blessed day.